In this video, I am going to show you how to delete photos from OneDrive. OneDrive offers seamless integration with mobile devices, allowing you to manage your photos directly from your iPhone or Android. Follow these steps to delete photos from OneDrive on a mobile. Launch the OneDrive app on your iPhone or Android device. Locate and navigate to the folder containing the photos you want to delete. Long press on the photo you wish to remove, and then select Delete. Tap on Delete again to confirm the deletion of the selected photo. Repeat the process to select and delete multiple photos from your OneDrive account. By following these steps, you can easily delete photos from your OneDrive account using your mobile device. Whether you're freeing up space or organizing your files, managing your photos on OneDrive is simple and efficient. Keep your photo collection organized and clutter-free by regularly deleting unwanted or unnecessary photos from your OneDrive storage. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.